Hello guys, welcome to Further Maths with QOTD, and today we're going to be talking about the very last topic of the first unit, which is about matrices. And in today's lesson we're going to talk about successive transformations. And successive transformations is basically a group of matrix transformations applied one after another. So, for instance, let me give an example here, and I will draw it right over here. So this is a triangle called P, and the coordinates is x, y. And then it is transformed through a matrix A into another shape, which is below here, and we call this P after transformation A. And then after that we have a transformation B applied, which we get this as a result, and we call this B applied to transformation P after being applied to A. And generally we don't really write the brackets, so we just have B, A, P, but then you do need a bracket for P. And imagine Bx and Ax are functions of transformations, but it is just a matrix multiplication. So you multiply A first here, which you get this, and you multiply B after that, which you get B. So essentially it's just B multiplied by A and then multiplied by P. But then now here's the interesting part. The order matters. Now in this case you have to do A first, and then you have to do B. And if I write a transformation below, try to guess which one you do first. And you probably already noticed you do Z first, and then Y, and then X. So from this we can say that the order by which you apply the transformations is the inverse of how it is written, because we always do the one closest to our original vector. And successive transformations are associative, as applying A, B together. In this case you can't really tell, but X, Y together and Y, Z together. But it is not commutative, as B, A and A, B arrive at different results. So for instance, in this case you can group X, Y together and then apply it to Z, P. But then you cannot do X, Z together and then apply it to Y, P. It's like flip and then you turn, but then you cannot turn then flip in easy terms. And it's a very short lesson, but that is the last topic we're going to talk about for matrices. And later in the next video we will be talking about variance. Oh, that is the last lesson, I'm sorry. Invariances are the last lesson, and after that we're gonna move on. So then we're gonna be into series and induction, and that is a relatively hard topic. So if you do have questions, please make sure to comment, and I'll try to read through, because since we don't really have any comments, I'll be quite conspicuous if you do post one. And follow along. See you next lesson.